what metrics can you share that demonstrate the ROI and impact of your data management program around data quality for Bayer?
I think there are a few very significant differences that we saw. To name a few, we used to be running our mastering cycles that was twice a month. We were able to shift from that past to a daily mastering. And that's very powerful because when we look at data providers who are ready to give us the data on a daily basis, having a capability to be able to master daily is huge.
Sure.
In the past, we would only be able to attend to two kinds of data change requests, which was very limiting in nature because we could not put all the guards around, if you would. So in today's world, we are able to attend to at least 10+ data change requests, which takes care of all data entities that are out there when we speak about customer data, from address to physician to accounts to affiliations and attributes around it. Now, one of the challenges we used to think before we implemented was, are we putting all our sales rep to go through a funnel? And is it going to delay in what they need to do because we are bringing all these data change requests? Surprisingly enough, because there was access to the bigger view open data on demand,
right,
the need for creating DCRs came down. And wherever there was a need to create the data change request, the results were very fast. So where in the past we used to be turning around on a monthly basis the data change request, and at that time the field force used to say, oh, let's mark our calendar, it's the day of the month where changes would come in, the havoc would be out there.
Sure.
So from there, it switched to more of the SLA for data change requests came down to like a few hours.
Wow.
So it really made an impact, and even the commitment from the field force that if our request is not going to take that long, we better see it as an investment of our time, and then we can move on with that quality data. So it helped to change the thinking process for our sales rep there as well. In terms of any data integration, in the past it would take us close to 3 months. So it would delay us down for any new data acquisition or product launches. We would be on a red alert at that time. In today's world, yes, there is still a lot of data profiling and integration planning that needs to happen. But if we really look from a Viva network point of view, it is a few weeks of effort that we are looking at. So it drastically helped us to invest our time more in planning rather than worrying about the execution. I think one other change that we saw in using the whole solution was where our power users could move out of the data silos, where we never had a view of our data that was sitting in a black box. And people were really, the power users were essentially able to do self-service because we gave a view to the data and how to access it.